Hi everyone, this is Felix once again and welcome back to Make It Easy. And for today's video, I'm going to show you on how to change your YouTube channel description. First on YouTube, just click on the top right corner of the screen on where is your channel image icon located, and YouTube account panel will show up. On the panel, select YouTube Studio. From the left menu, select Customization and then Basic Info. On the Basic Info, you can edit your channel description here. And when you're done editing your channel description, just click on Publish. And take note, write the description that you want to show up when people visit your YouTube channel. It is not enough that you write just any sentence. Be as concise and informative as possible. Use simple and powerful words that can stir up visitors. Also, see to it that it makes use of the right keywords that are related to your channel. And that's it. If you have any questions, queries, suggestions, feel free to hit the comment below in the comment section. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to support my channel, just click the join button below and become a beloved member for just $1 a month. See ya!